Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
How you feel after three break?
Very fine. Very fine.
We will switch from computer to mechanical side. So my course name is Metrology and Instrumentation, and my topic is linear measurement. So what do you mean by metrology? From mechanical side, what do you mean by metrology? Scientific study of measurement is known as metrology. And what do you mean by instrumentation?
Instrument used for
It's the collective word of instrument which are used for measuring purpose or recording purpose. And my topic is linear measurement. The objective of this session is, after this session you will able to use the linear measuring instrument for various measuring applications, and you can describe the least count and error into the instrument, whether there is an error in instrument not, if not. Now, what is linear measurement? Any idea about linear measurement? It's a measurement of a perpendicular distance between two points. Suppose one point is here and another point is here. The measurement of these 2 points, between those points, perpendicular distance between 2 points, is under the linear measurement. Okay. There are basically two types of linear measuring instrument. One is graduated instrument and other is non-graduated instrument. Here, what is a graduated instrument? The graduated instrument means the instrument with facility of marking for the measurement. As seen in the figure, this is a vernier caliper. It has main scale and vernier scale of marking facilities available. Here is a height gauge. It has main scale and vernier scale of marking facilities for the measurement. And what is non-graduated instrument, which has no marking facility available, is known as non-graduated instrument, linear instrument. Now, our basic main topic is for graduated measurement instrument, and my topic is vernier caliper. Now, what is the principle of vernier caliper? In vernier caliper, there are two scales. We already know in this figure, like so here, main scale and vernier scale. Both have different in their size.
Yes.
The size of difference we can use for the accurate measurement. The principle of vernier caliper is that the principle in a vernier caliper we have two scales that's shown in figure, main scale and vernier scale. These two scales are different in size, and the difference in size is used for measuring the accurate measurement. Okay, in traditional method we can use by the scale organ. When in industry we need accurate measurement, so we can use vernier caliper for that. Here shown vernier caliper is that there are two jaws. One is fixed jaws, one is movable jaws. These are the outer jaws which is used for measuring the outer diameter. Suppose we want to measure the outer diameter of this glass, then we can put here and we can move this movable jaw into this. So we can measure the outer diameter with the help of these outer jaws. If we want to measure the inside diameter of this glass, for that we can use the inner jaws. By putting this, we can measure the inside diameter of the glass. We have main scale, vernier scale, and for the depth of the glass, we have steam or the depth rod. By putting this depth rod into the glass, we can measure the depth of the glass. लीनियर मेजरमेंट में अगर आपको किसी भी इंस्ट्रूमेंट का यूज करना हो तो बिफोर दैट we have to know about the least count of that instrument. Now what is the least count?
Minimum
It is accuracy with which it can measure.
Okay. Least count is the minimum distance which can be measured by the instrument is known as least count. And least count is represent accuracy of the measurement. Suppose we want to find the least count of this vernier caliper, then the least count is equal to main value of a minimum division on main scale. Suppose we have 0 to 1 centimeter, it has 10 equal division. So 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mm. So one division value is equal to 1. So least count of vernier caliper 1 mm होगा, value of minimum division on main scale divided by number of division, total number of division on vernier scale. Here is the vernier scale. Total number of division there are 20. So 1 divided by 20. So least count of this is equal to 0.05 mm. Are you getting or not?
Yes.
Least count means minimum distance that can be measured with the help of instrument. Okay? Now another one is the error. When we are using any linear instrument, we have to check whether the error is inside, whether is there is error or not. Generally, there are two types of error. One is positive error and one is negative error. We can see that positive error and negative error. What is the zero error? Suppose we have main scale and here is a vernier scale. If the zero mark of the main scale is coincide with the zero mark of the vernier scale, then we can say that instrument has zero error or instrument has no error. Right? Now second one is positive error. Now positive error in this case, here is the main scale, here is the vernier scale. If the zero mark of the vernier scale is right hand side to the zero mark of the main scale, then we can say it's a positive error. Okay? And positive error, it means that we are using instrument, it has positive error. Error means, positive error means कि अब जैसे हमने इंस्ट्रूमेंट का यूज किया वो पहले से ही इतनी रीडिंग दिखा रहा है, इतना मेजरमेंट दिखा रहा है, यानी कि पॉजिटिव एरर को क्या करना पड़ेगा हमको, फाइनल रीडिंग टोटल रीडिंग से माइनस करना पड़ेगा. ओके, आर यू गेटिंग?
Yes.
सेकंड वन इज नेगेटिव एरर. सिमिलरली इसमें क्या होगा, इफ द zero mark of the vernier caliper is on the left side of the zero mark of the main scale, then it is known as negative error. Negative error यानी कि we have to add into the total reading. फाइनल रीडिंग में हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा, नेगेटिव एरर को ऐड करना और हमें अपना फाइनल रीडिंग मिलेगा. ओके, फॉर अब समझ आ गया आपको लिस्ट काउंट क्या है, एरर क्या है. अब हमको सपोज कि ये इसका आउटर डायमीटर हमको फाइंड करना है. सपोज वी हैव टू फाइंड द आउटर डायमीटर ऑफ द ग्लास. देन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बाय वर्नियर कैलिपर. तो क्या करना पड़ेगा, पहले हमें वर्नियर कैलिपर का लिस्ट काउंट फाइंड करना पड़ेगा. देन वी हैव टू फाइंड द एरर इन द वर्नियर कैलिपर. देन वी हैव टू फाइंड मेन स्केल रीडिंग. मेन स्केल रीडिंग फाइंड करना पड़ेगा हमको. तो मेन स्केल रीडिंग क्या होगा कि the reading which is shown by the vernier caliper, which is shown by zero mark left side of the zero mark of the vernier scale is known as main scale reading, and we have to find vernier scale reading. That is the number of division which is coincide with the main scale. Okay, the total reading is equal to main scale reading plus least count into vernier scale reading. Suppose in this figure, let's see, मेन स्केल रीडिंग इज इक्वल टू क्या होगा, लेफ्ट साइड टू दी मेन स्केल, यानी कि यहाँ पे रीडिंग क्या होगा 1.11 आएगा, लेफ्ट टू दी 0. ओके, तो 11 आएगा, मेन स्केल रीडिंग 11, लीस्ट काउंट हमने फाइंड किया है आगे 0.05. और कौन सा डिवीजन मैच हो रहा है, सपोज यहाँ पे डिवीजन मैच हो रहा है एग्जैक्टली 7 का मैच हो रहा है, शायद 7 या 10 जो भी हो, तो 7 का मैच हो रहा है. तो ये अपना मेन रीडिंग क्या होगा 11 प्लस 0.05 into 7. The final reading is this way. Okay? Is there any problem?
No.
Now you can able to use the vernier caliper for various measuring linear dimensions, and you can find also error and least count of the instrument. Now exercise for you. What is accuracy and precision in terms of measurement? Any idea about?
Definitive of measurement value is called accuracy.
Definition of precision.
No.
Value
for
precision.
The readings are
closer to each other and it is precise.
We can say that
True value.
yes. Closeness between measured value and true value is known as accuracy. Okay, and precision,
Repeatability.
yes, repeatability, or consistency in the measured value is known as precision. अगर एक शूटर है, एग्जांपल का, आप शूटर का एग्जांपल लीजिए. अगर एक शूटर कंटिन्यूअसली शूट कर रहा है 9.5, 9.5, 9.8, तो 9.6, तो उसकी क्या होगी, एक्यूरेसी ज्यादा होगी. अगर वो शायद एक बार शूट कर रहा है 9 पे, एक बार शूट कर रहा है 7 पे, एक बार शूट कर रहा है 5 पे, तो उसकी एक्यूरेसी क्या होगी, कम. अभी वही शूटर अगर कंटिन्यूअसली 8 पे शूट कर रहा है, कंटिन्यूअसली 8 पे, तो उसकी एक्यूरेसी क्या होगी, प्रिसिजन ज्यादा होगी. एक्यूरेसी कम होगी पर प्रिसिजन क्या होगा, ज्यादा होगा. थैंक यू.